Yesterday we looked at the symbols which look and sound the same as normal English letters. For example, the sounds in bed, get and pen. And today we're going to look at one of the symbols which looks the same as an English letter but sounds different. And it's this symbol here, which looks like the letter J in English, which is the J sound in job and jump. But when we use it as a symbol, we give it a Y sound, which is the letter Y sound in words like yes, you, and yellow. Now, for most of my students, this tends not to be a problem. It's especially easy for students who speak Germanic languages or Slavic languages which use the Roman alphabet. But it's mostly difficult for my Spanish-speaking students. And I know that in most dialects of Spanish and most versions of Spanish, the pronunciation of the letter Y is something like the J sound in English. I know it's not 100% the same, but the tendency is to pronounce these English words kind of like yes, which sounds to the English ear like the name Jess, which is of course spelt with a letter J. And so these two words, yes and Jess, they start to sound quite similar. And then even when we use the symbols, that doesn't help because of course the symbol looks like a letter J. So it actually just makes things more confusing. So the main thing for my Spanish-speaking students is to try and remember that the letter J and the symbol J have different sounds. And if you're struggling with the letter Y sound in these words, remember the quickest way to get around that is just to replace it with the letter I, and this should help you say yes, you, and yellow.